Hey bunnies, for today's Naked Sunday, please go ahead and grab yourself a drink. I am drinking vodka, soda, and simply limeade. This is currently my favorite drink. Well, vodka soda with lime, but then we bought the simply limeade and I put it in there and it was just so freaking good. So that's what I've been drinking since like last week. So yeah, go ahead, grab your drink, and then come back. We're going to be talking about my 7 tips for open relationships. Ooh. Now, first things first, when it comes to open relationships, it's something that you want to discuss in the beginning of the relationship. If it's something that you want to, incorporate in your relationship right now while you're already, with the person that you're with, you both have to be on the same page. Okay, if it's not something that you're with your partner, like you're not into it, let them know up front, let them know where you stand, but at the same time be open to what they're saying. Okay, and maybe you can implement some of the rules that I'm about to give you. So rule number 1 is that the relationship you're in, it should be your primary relationship, especially if you have kids. Nothing and no one should come before either your relationship or your children. Okay, so no date, no girl, no guy, whoever that they're seeing on the side or whatever should come before your feelings and your kids' feelings. Rule number 2, no spending the night. Okay, yes, it's an open relationship. Yes, you can date. Yes, you can, do whatever with other people, but don't spend the night with the person. The moment that happens, it creates a sort of rift between you and your partner. Okay, it makes it seem like you're trying to build something with this other person when you're really not. You're just trying to, I guess, spice up your current relationship, for lack of a better word. But then again, every relationship is different. So if you do want to spend the night, whatever, who am I to say, whatever. But these are just my rules and this is how I feel about it. I don't think you should be spending the night with this other person. Rule number 3, no friends or people you work with. The last thing you want is for things to go bad and then you lose a friendship, or you go to work and your business is all over the office, or you get reported to HR or some shit like that. You lose your job because of this person. Do not hook up with people you work with or your friends. That's just common knowledge. Rule number 4, no catching feelings. If it gets too serious with the person that you have on the side, then you need to drop them. You are not here to build a core relationship with your side person. Okay, if you feel like you're developing feelings, you need to talk to your partner and let them know where you're at. You shouldn't even get to this point because you should still have your primary relationship where you're focusing and devoting most of your time to. So the moment you feel like you're developing feelings for your side person, you need to talk to your partner. Always be honest about where you're going to your partner. Always be honest with your partner about where you're going. So if you're going on a date with Tom, if you're going on a date with Trixie, let your partner know. Let him or her know that, hey babe, I'm going on a date. Hey babe, I'm gonna see so and so. Hey babe, this is what's about to happen. Be honest with your partner, just in case Tom and Trixie turn out to be psycho axe murderers. Your partner knows where you are and knows where to send cops. Okay, not only that, it builds a sense of trust between you and your partner. There should be no secrets between the two of you, especially if you're having an open relationship. Pretty open already, so might as well just be completely honest about where you're going and what you're gonna do. You don't have to say, yo, I'm gonna cock up our foot them on the ceiling, and you don't have to get in detail with exactly what you're gonna do, but let them know where you're going and who you're going to be there with. Okay? Rule number 6. If you're married, let the side person know that you're married. If you're not married, let the side person know that you have a girlfriend or a boyfriend and you're in an open relationship or an open marriage or whatever the situation is. It's not fair for the other person because that person might feel like, oh, you're single and you're trying to build something with them when you're really not. A lot of people are completely fine with being the other person, with just hooking up, with just being sexual with you. They don't Some people don't need a full-on relationship, and that is completely fine. So be honest with the person that you're bringing into this open relationship. Rule number 7, last rule, possibly the most important rule: always, 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 all caps, exclamation, 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 always use protection. I don't care how pretty them look. I don't care how sexy they are. Always use protection. Not just because the person or whoever you or whatever the case is could get pregnant, but because a lot of people lie about their sexual status. Not sexual status, about their status. Is it sexual status? Not sexual status. About how clean they are, okay? I can't think right now. It's been a couple of vodka sodas. But people lie. We all know this. People lie all the time, and you can't take that chance. As crazy as it sounds, me telling you that, you know, if you're going to be having sex with somebody, you should be able to trust them to some extent, but at the same time, you can't trust everybody unless you guys are going to go out there and take these tests, these HIV tests and whatever tests that you need to take before you have sexual intercourse. That is what I would definitely recommend you do. Still use protection, because you don't want to breed somebody picnic, okay? Pills fail, whatever, like shit happens. Use protection. That is my rule number 7. That's my final rule. My drink is almost done. Hope you've been drinking with me. If you have any additional rules to add to my top 7 open relationship rules, 7 tips for open relation. There we go. The top 7 tips for open relationships. If you have any more tips to add, leave them in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. If you want to say something to me and you're too embarrassed to ask in the comment section, send me an email. Read the description bar to make sure you're sending your personal questions to the right email address. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.